My dream job. Today, I thought about what I want to be when I grow up. I dream of becoming a veterinarian. I love animals and I want to help them feel better when they are sick. I imagined myself in a big clinic, taking care of dogs, cats, and even rabbits. I learned about different animals and their needs. I want to learn how to treat them and give them medicine. I also want to play with them and make them happy. I asked my mom what it takes to become a vet, and she said I need to study hard in school. I was excited to hear that. I can't wait to learn more about animals and how to care for them. Helping animals would be a dream come true. I hope to inspire others to love and protect animals too.